tsa metshameko, di tla ka seroma moa. Welcome to another video for the cigarettes, the games edition. Today we're playing Batho le Re Safe, which is a game that involves two groups, two fielders, and yarn or wool. So the point of the game is to try and be the best in skipping along over this yarn. I'll show you how you do it with two fielders, putting the yarn in different levels of difficulty. The fielder group needs to just wait their turn until the active group finishes, and then so I'll show you where to place the yarn. So the levels of difficulty are level 1, by your ankles. Level 2, by your knee. Level 3, under your butt cheeks. Level 4, by your belly button. Level 5, under your armpits. Level 6, by your neck. Level 7, above your ears. Level 8, twist and put it like that, or your elbows with your arms straight. Level 9, your wrists with your arms straight. Level 10, twisting around your fingers and lifting your arms straight. So the strategy is to have the tallest people be the fielders, because then that makes it more difficult for the team that is active. And then I could never reach level 10 because I'm not that tall, but that's the goal. Now let me show you how you actually play the game. So the essence of the game is that you work as a team. The first person who knows how to open goes first, and they go inside the yarn, and then they let everybody come inside, and then you jump outside and everybody comes out. Then you do fish, which is you cross the yarn over and pull your leg across. But you do it quick, so you go like that. And then you get out. So that part is independent. Everybody has to do their own fish. And then everybody's on this side of the yarn waiting for everybody else to come along and do the fish. And then you jump this way and say, Batho le Re Safe. And so you want to be strategic in that part, because you want everyone who potentially might not jump the yarn to go first, because the last person who is your strong player will save everybody. So that's why you go Batho le Re Safe. It means everybody is safe when the last person jumps over and they don't cut the yarn. So you are disqualified if you can't get in, even if someone has opened for you, especially if you're at higher categories like, category 9 or 10. If you cannot jump into the middle part of the yarn, you are out. You can be saved though by everybody saying Batho le Re Safe. Then you are safe to go into the next level. So that's one way to get out. Another way to get out is if you cut the yarn. So if you jump and it's so tight that it gets cut, then you're out and you have to wait to the next level if you get saved, if someone in your team can save you. And then the other side time is if you were the one who was left outside because everybody thought you would jump, but then you couldn't make it across. Then you have to wait while the rest of the team who are safe go into the next level. So I'm hoping that next time it's summer, or you have some yarn and you have, time to play a game. Think about Batho le Re Safe. Remember to like, subscribe to our videos. Until next time, we'll see you. Bye!